Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today talking about the short holidays with my family. Um, Free times activities. Let's go. Look for your fun. The first thing I'm going to do with my family is to swimming in the pool. In the pool, um, then we are going to enjoy a delicious dinner. We will walking to get to know the hotel where we will stay better. The hotel is called Bahia Rada, is located in the municipality of Lorica in the department of Cordoba. It's so a beautiful place with very kind people. Is excellent. My wife and I say we are going with gas help. We will take our son to play on the beach. Okay, continuing. Popular hobbies in the beach. Mm, she is my wife and my son. The next day, we will take a walking through the hotel trails, rest in hammocks, and enjoy a delicious breakfast, watching the sunrise on the beach. Um, is so beautiful, is spectacular. Okay, continue. The Then we wore out a motorcycle towards the Bahia La Rada to enjoy its beautiful beaches, its landscape. When we return, we will have fish for lunch, and we will have some water watermelon. With our son, we want to enjoy the pool so that he's learning to swimming. After all this, my wife and I will have a cocktail while our son takes a nap. Okay, continue. The most important is the family. For me, is essential. At night, we will have a romantic dinner in the open air while we are listening to the chanting sound of the waves on the sea. The third last day, we plan to visit, okay, to visit the pier of municipal of Monitos. We are also going to go the beach, so that our son can play in the sand. Then we will eat shrimp sauce as a tradition for people who go to the beach. My wife and I planned a month 1 month ago, traveling to beach where we relax and have a lot of fun as a family. Thank you so much. Catch you later, my friends.